Hello, teacher. No.
How about now, honey? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Hi, Cookie. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
How's your exam? Oh, I'm okay, honey. I'm really fine. I am very, very fine, but I'm so tired. How's your
Yes.
exam, honey? Are you done with your exams? Are you finished with all your exams?
Yes.
Done already? Wow.
Yes.
All the subjects.
Yes,
With all
teacher, and I have an English part. Is
oh,
8.5.
8.5. Is it a good score?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Honey, is my voice okay?
Yes.
Is my camera okay too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, is it a good score, honey?
Yes.
Are you happy with your
It's not
score?
good and it's not bad.
Yeah. Do you want it to be perfect?
Yes.
Is there someone in your class, honey, who got a perfect score?
I don't know, but I think so.
How did you know about your score?
My teacher said it.
Ah, your teacher said it. Your teacher told you. You say my teacher told me.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that is great to hear, honey. Anyway, how about the other subjects like math? How's your score?
Eight, 8.8.
8.8. Is it a good score?
Yes, because some people have five score.
5 points. Some
Yeah,
other some others some other students only got 5 points, but
yeah.
you actually got 8 points. So that's a good score.
8.8.
Yeah.
8.8.
And what about the perfect score, honey? What's the perfect score? Is it 10? You're willing to
Yes.
10? You're almost there. So you must be really happy. You almost got a perfect score. If I got the 8 score, honey, I mean 8 points, 8 points, I will be so happy. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's almost 9. It is almost 9. Congratulations. Okay. How about the other subjects, honey?
Mm,
P science.
No, science issues. I very no. I don't like it.
Is it 5?
Yeah,
It's
it's
5.
1.8.
It's okay. It's okay. It's almost 8. So that's
Yeah.
fine. For me, that's fine. For me, I'd be so happy if I get that score. Yeah. So you don't really like the science, honey. It's not really
Yeah.
your favorite. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Because it's so difficult.
Really? But which exam is the most difficult one, honey?
Uh, it's a science.
This one's the most difficult one. Really? That's why you're kind of sad about your test result. For me, you know what? For me, the seven point something 7.8 is big. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Anyway, how about Luis? Did he also take the exam, honey?
Yeah. Teacher,
Oh,
math is very high.
your
Yeah, Lulu is math.
what again?
Lulu is like Lulu is exam
Luis.
like Lulu is exam of math.
is very high. Yeah? How? Like, what's his
Nine
point? What's his score?
9.25.
9? 9?
Point.
Wow! Wow, I will congratulate Luis later also, honey. Because wow, 9 is almost a perfect score. Yeah. Did he study so hard?
I don't know.
How about you? Did you study so hard? You've got a very big score too. Did
Uh,
you did, really? Last time you were late for the last time I remembered you were late for our class because you were studying so hard for your other subjects, honey. So I think you really studied and reviewed so hard. Very
yeah.
well. Okay, anyway, congratulations, honey. I'm so proud and I'm so happy for your exam results. Yes. I hope you're happy with your test or exam results too.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, because I worry about my teacher told it's very my teacher told that you must have 9, but my math is also 8.
Ah, your teacher told you that you must aim for 9 points and you should have 9 points. So you're kinda afraid, you're kinda worried about that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, but it's okay. That's okay. Eight is here in the Philippines. Eight, I think eight is really acceptable, honey. It's really acceptable. There's nothing bad about eight. It's almost 9, but 9 is really good.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. That's why you're saying that it's not bad. It's not good. But for me, it's not really bad. It's not really. It's not. And it's really really good. I'm so proud of you. Your mom must be really really happy about your results, honey. Did you tell your mom about your results?
yeah.
Did she feel happy about it?
She is normal.
Okay, I see. Did you get a reward?
No.
No. Okay. All right, me, honey, when I was a kid, um, when I have like a high point from the exams, honey, my dad would bring me to the nearest candy shop or ice cream shop. Yeah, he
Yeah.
treats me ice cream. That's how he treated me before. Okay,
Yeah,
anyway, are you ready for our material, honey? Are you ready to
yeah,
continue with the material?
I'm ready.
You are really, really ready. Okay. So as you can see here, honey, we are already done with the city Pictionary, and we are now going to have the city Pictionary. Okay. So here are the activities, maybe, or some words that's related to the countryside Pictionary, honey. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we didn't. Ah, yeah, we've already started with the barn. Yes.
Yes.
What is a barn again, honey?
The
What is a
bird like the house have a boat, a horse, and a sheep.
Yeah, that is it. Okay. A barn is a house. Yeah, it can be a house in the countryside, but it's commonly used for storing corn, rice, and most commonly for the horses, the sheep, the goats, or some other farm animals, honey. Now,
Yeah.
let's move forward to the next one, honey. The next one to the barn is, what is it?
And the next to the barn is the cottage.
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 Cottage. Yeah. Do you know
Car.
what is a Yes. Do you know what is a cottage, honey?
No, I don't.
Yes, okay. This one is very common in the countryside, okay? Cottage honey is a very small house, okay? It is often really made of wood Yeah, it is sometimes made of stone. Yes. Sometimes it can be located near the lake in the countryside. Yeah, let's search what a cottage looks like, honey, okay?
Yes.
Let's search.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh,
What?
oh, I click, I don't see anything in the Zoom.
Okay, how about now?
Yes, I can
Can you
see.
see? Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So this is what a countryside looks like, honey. I think maybe in this one is from Europe. Yeah, wow, it looks good. I want to live here. I want to live here, honey. Oh my goodness, I like it. Whoa. Oh,
Visit, visit.
yeah. Okay, let's have in Vietnam.
I think I don't have it. The Philippines have it, teacher.
Yes, but it doesn't look like, yeah. In Vietnam, honey, this is how the cottage looks like in Vietnam. Like this. This is a cottage in the countryside. Yeah, in the rural area, honey. Yeah. We also have something. We actually have the same, yeah. Okay, Philippines, honey. It's actually the same. Vietnam and Philippines is the same. Okay,
Mm.
look, like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
like that. There are a lot of cottages here, honey. Yeah, in my place because not I live in a town near the countryside. There are a lot. Yeah, here. It's just like Vietnam too.
yes.
Yeah, this is what we call, what is it? Ha?
Cottage.
Very good. The cottage. Would you like to live here, honey?
Yes.
Okay.
I like this. I like this.
Which one? Which one?
This.
This one? Here?
Yeah. No,
Yeah, there.
no,
This?
no. Yes, yes, yes.
This?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, where is it now? This? Where is it? We lost it.
Is
Oh
it?
no. But anyway, honey, this one. This.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, this one.
Yes.
Wow, yeah, it looks nice. And I really think it's from the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wait for a while, honey. Okay. Next one, honey. Next to the cottage, we have the.
We have the go cycling.
What does it mean, my dear? What does it mean when we
We
say go cycling?
go by bike.
Yes, go by bike. Okay. It's really common here, honey. Go cycling in the countryside is very, very common here in my place. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very convenient and bicycles here aren't very expensive.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move forward to the next one, honey. The next one to the go cycling is what is it?
Farmer.
Farmer. Very good. What is a farmer, honey? Can you tell me what a farmer is? A
The
farmer
farmer.
is
The farmer is like the people. The people live in
honey,
the farm.
farmer. Yeah, farmer, it's only one person. Okay, it's only one
The
person. So
person.
it's a person. Very good. Okay, so a person who lives in a farm and who works on a farm. Yeah. What does he grow, honey? What does he grow?
They grow wheat.
Huh?
Uh, they grow this. I don't know how to talk.
Okay, they grow crops, honey, like corn. They grow rice. Yeah, they grow
But
animals. Yes.
How can I read this word?
How? Which one?
This
Wet. Wet.
wet.
Yes.
Wet.
Yes. Ah, hold on, honey. I'm not. Wait. Hold on.
Wet. Wet.
I think I'm wrong. Wheat, honey, wheat. It's wheat.
Wheat.
Yeah,
Wheat.
it's wheat, not wet. Wet is
Wheat.
this. This is wet. This is
Mm,
wet. This one is wheat.
Wheat.
Yeah. Okay, have you seen a real farmer, honey?
Yes.
Hmm? Not really, because you've been to a countryside before, right? You have
Now
been
I
to
see in the TV. Yeah.
in the television. But how about in real life? You haven't seen a real,
I don't
real.
remember. I don't remember.
Remember? Have you been to a countryside?
Yes.
Have you tried?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So the next time that you're going to the countryside, honey, maybe you can see.
Oh,
Can
I
see.
see a real farmer.
Wow, a real farmer. Okay. Here, honey,
It have
there's a lot of
it have like a big bang, and it have a lot of pigs in it.
pigs. Yeah. Okay. You know what, honey? In the countryside, here in the Philippines, in the countryside, if a person owns a lot of pigs, a lot of animals, they will be considered, or he will be considered as rich. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I am the person who owns a lot of pigs here in my place, a lot of animals, I am considered as a person who has a lot of money. Because owning a lot of pigs, honey, and then if you're going to sell it in the market, you can get a lot of money. Yeah,
Teacher, I got a lot of pig in my house.
really? Ah,
Did you?
real pigs? Can I see?
No,
Can I see?
no, not real big.
Let me see.
One, 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 and one.
Oh my goodness, you've got a lot of pigs. You're rich, and you are rich.
And this.
Another one too. You've got a lot of stuffed toys, honey. You know what? Last time, Luis also showed me a stuffed toy too, like that, a big stuffed toy, and I told him, Luis, is that yours? And then he answered, No, teacher, it's cookies. It's cookies stuffed toy. I said, Wow, it's so big. And then he told me he has a lot. Louis, Cookie has a lot of stuffed toys. And now I
And
proved it. And now you really proved it. You really have a lot of stuffed toys.
uh,
Okay. So anyway, honey, let's move forward to the next word to the farmer. We have the
go on a picnic.
go on a picnic. What is go on a picnic, honey? What does it mean? Or what do we do when we do a picnic?
Uh, we have a fruit, and
Mm-hmm.
we have a sandwiches
Mm-hmm.
and some special food, and we go.
Yes. Many food. And do you think it's perfect to do a picnic in the countryside? What do you think?
Yes.
Why? Why is it perfect to do a picnic in the countryside, honey? What do you think about that?
Because it have it have a lot of lot of place, and the weather is very good.
Yes, that is really good, honey. There are a lot of trees. It's so peaceful in the countryside. No cars. I mean, there's some cars in the town, but in the countryside, honey, you can't see any cars. No pollution. Just animals, trees, plants, crops, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So, let's have the next one, honey. We have here the what
The
is that?
Harvester.
Harvester. Again, one more time.
Harvester.
Yes, what is
Harvest.
what is a harvester, honey?
Harvester is uh, I don't know.
Okay, honey. Since I live near the countryside, or maybe I think I consider myself living in the countryside, and I think this is countryside, but harvester, honey, is a machine. Okay? It is a machine that gathers the crops, honey, on the fields. Here. Here, this is a harvester.
Mm,
There's a lot of harvester here.
Yes.
And this is very helpful, honey, for a person who owns a farm or a rice field. Here.
Yeah.
This is a harvester cookie.
Yeah.
Okay? This one. Have you seen this?
No.
No. Okay. Actually, honey, this one is very expensive here in the Philippines, honey. If I am a farmer and I have I have this one, I am considered as rich. Okay? Because this one will cost, I think, 1 million or thousands of pesos, honey. Before, honey, when there was no harvester before,
It's
people
buffalo.
harvest. Yeah. People harvest rice here, honey. Philippines. This is what happened before. They do this. Yeah. When we didn't have harvesters in the Philippines, honey, most of the people from the Philippines do this. And how about there,
They
honey?
do like it.
Like this too. Okay, let's
Yes.
search.
I don't
Right
know.
now,
I don't know.
you don't know anything about it. Yeah, this one is in Vietnam, honey. We're just really the same. Look, we're just the same, honey. Yeah, because Vietnamese people also loves rice, right? Yes. Same in the Philippines. Okay. Next to the harvester, honey, we have
We
what
have
is it?
the hay.
Hay. Okay. Have you seen a hay? Do you know a hay, honey?
Yes.
What is it? What is a hay?
The hay is the hay. I don't know how to talk. The hay.
A hay is a dried grass. Yeah. It is a dried grass used for food for the animals. And then let's search the hay again. Let's search how the hay looks like. Here. This is how the hay looks like, honey. Can you see it? Take a look.
Yes.
Yes, this is how the hay
Um,
looks like, my dear. And usually the horse usually eats this. Cows. Yeah, but
Yum,
usually the horse. Hay in Vietnam. Here. It's in Vietnam, honey. Okay.
Hey. Hay. Hay.
Hi. You call it hi?
In Vietnam, the hay, like this word is it means
Hmm.
it don't talk hay, it talk
Ah.
hay, and it's mean it's very good and it's fantastic. Like the movie is very very well.
So
Like
you mean, for
this.
example, if you're watching a film, honey, if you're watching a film and then you're just going to say, "Oh, hi," they're like that. Hi means, "Oh,
Hay.
fantastic."
Hay.
Yeah. Hey.
Yes, like this.
That's how you spell it too. That's how you spell
Yes.
it too. Hi. Is that how you spell it?
Hay. Yes. Yes.
Hay.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have next to hi. Next to hay, we have, what is that?
Pasture.
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 What is a pasture, honey? Do you know what it is?
The pasture. The pasture is placed to people, like feed the buffalo.
Yes, it's a land, honey. It is a land covered with grass. It's a land filled with grass, honey, where the animals can eat, where the animals
Yeah,
can feed. Pasture. Let's search
yeah,
it. I like this topic, honey. I
yeah.
like this. Because I can relate to this one, honey. We have a farm. And I can relate to this. I mean, my grandpa owns a farm, not me.
Yeah.
Okay, here. This is a pasture, honey. This is how a pasture looks like. And the cows gets to eat. The animals, the buffaloes gets to eat grass. Have you seen
I
a
want to
pasture?
talk. Yes, I want to talk with the cow. There's the grass is yummy.
Do you want, like, you mean to say you want to ask the cow? Yeah, maybe it's yummy, honey. Maybe it's yummy because they're eating it. Yeah.
Yes.
Ah. You know what? I have a friend, honey. Do you eat, like, do you drink matcha, honey? Do you drink matcha?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I have a friend who doesn't
The
doesn't drink matcha. Hold on, honey. There's an insect. Hold on. I
latte.
think a bee.
The
I hope it's not a bee because I'm scared of a bee. Okay, so I'm going to continue, honey. I have a friend who doesn't really drink matcha. Me, I really love matcha. And one time we went to the coffee shop. We went to the coffee shop, honey, and then he told me, Shane, you know what? Why do you like matcha? I said, because it's yummy. And he said, you know what? It tastes like grass. Maybe you're a cow. I said, no, just say that. And then I realized, yeah, that's right. Maybe matcha tastes like grass.
teacher, like the cow can bring matcha too.
Maybe, honey. What is matcha made of?
And
Let's
your
search.
your friend is eating grass, so she she know the text of the grass.
Maybe she eats grass because she knows that the matcha tastes like grass. She's so mean. Here, honey. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially grown shade treated green tea leaves. Ah, yeah, it's really made of leaves, honey. Yup, it's not made of grass. I really disagree with my friend.
Yeah,
Okay.
not make it.
Yeah, it's not grass. Come on. Next to the pasture, honey, we have the pig or the swine. What is it,
Swine.
honey? Do you know
The
what
pig
is a swine?
is swine is the pig.
Yeah, it's just the same. Yeah, swine.
Yes,
You can
in
call it a
Vietnam.
swine. You call it a pig. Oh yeah, in Vietnam.
Yes, in Vietnam we call two words like this.
Mm.
Yes, we call the pig is hell. In the north we call lợn, and in the south we call heo.
Hell.
Heo.
Hell.
Heo.
Hell.
No. Heo.
Hell. Hell. Okay. I see, honey. Honey, do you eat pig meat?
Yes.
It's yummy. It's
So
yummy.
do you eat?
What?
Do you eat big meat?
Of course. I like it. It's my favorite, especially barbecue.
Yes.
Yes. I really eat pig all the time, honey. It's really,
Because it's
yeah.
cheap.
Yeah,
Than
it's cheap.
than cheap.
Yeah.
Cheaper than the cow.
Yeah. Cheaper than the beef or the steak.
Yes. Yeah.
And I think for me, honey, pig meat is yummier than the cow meat. For me, in my opinion, okay? How about you? Which one is yummier? Which one is more yummy or more delicious?
I like both.
You
Both.
love both. Ah, so you are a meat eater, honey. You love meat. Yeah. We're the same.
I
We're the
also
same.
eat meat.
You also eat meat, of course. Okay. Honey, you know what? There are some places in the Philippines. There is a place in the Philippines, honey, who eats dogs. There are people who eats dogs in the Philippines. How about
In
there in
Vietnam
Vietnam?
too.
Vietnam
In
too. Do you
Vietnam
eat it?
too.
Have you tried? Have you
Yes.
tried? You've tried?
Uh,
Me too.
uh
Me too.
yes.
I've tried it too before because my grandpa, my uncles, my dad really loves it. But
Me
me,
too. My
really?
my grandpa like
Mm.
the head of the dog.
Really? Yeah, my grandpa too, honey. Yeah, they cook the dog, honey. Yeah, they cook the dog or sometimes they grill the dog. I said, "Ah." When I was a kid, honey, I really, really liked it. When I was a kid, I
Me
always eat
too.
it. Yeah, yeah, because my grandpa
But
eats it, my father eats it,
yes. But
my
when I
mom.
grow up, yes.
But when
But
you
I
grow up,
when I grew up, I try to eat it, and I feel have a headache,
me too.
so
Like,
I don't.
yeah, we are the same, honey. I have been trying to I'm convincing myself to eat it, honey, when my grandpa was still alive. But now I just don't. I can't. I can't. I feel so bad for the dogs.
The
I feel bad for them. Anyway, honey, let's have the next one. The next two, the pig or the swine, we have the.
ride a horse
What does it mean? To. Yeah, to ride a
to
horse.
it ride a horse. It
Yes.
ride a horse.
Have you tried riding a horse before?
No, my
You've
brother
never.
is right
Yeah,
there.
your brother tried. But how about you? Why didn't you try?
Because I don't because I don't like it.
You're scared. You're scared.
Mm, yes.
Yes. Okay. Me, I have tried, honey, because my grandfather owned a lot of horses before. He owned buffaloes, he owned cows, and I have been taught how to ride a horse before, honey, but I just don't. It hurts. It hurts, honey. Like it really hurts. If you're just going to imagine, honey, it hurts down there. So, yeah, I just tried riding a horse once. Only once.
Yeah.
Okay. Next to ride a horse, honey, we have the
Scarecrow.
very good. We have the scarecrow, honey. What is a scarecrow? What do you think is a
The scare
scarecrow?
a scarecrow is like a model to
Figure.
to
It's a
to when,
figure.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, to when some insect or the bird look at it, they scare
They will be scared.
and they go,
Yeah. Yes. It's like a model, honey, but it is a figure made to look like a real person, honey. It is placed in the fields like a rice field, right? Especially in the rice field,
yeah,
honey. And it's supposed to scare birds or insects, honey. Rats,
yeah,
etc. Yeah. If you're going to visit my place, honey, in the future, if maybe one time we will be able to visit my place. There are a lot of fields here. Yeah, when you pass by using your van or your car, you will see a lot of scarecrow. You would
yeah.
really really how about in Vietnam, honey? Are scarecrow also common?
No, I don't
No.
know.
Let's see. Let's search. Um.
Teacher,
Hmm.
teacher.
Hmm. What?
Uh, do you know come to the Cambodia?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Do,
No.
if you're
I
asking
wish
me,
my teacher told that her cousin want come to Cambodia
mm-hmm.
and Cambodia, and I don't know. And when they come back, they thought that it's very dangerous and it can. No, I don't know, but she thought it can be dangerous,
Yes, honey,
very
I've heard
dangerous.
about that. I've heard about that, honey. Actually, I've heard about that. Like, there are people who got kidnapped by,
Yes.
you know, we're not going to mention it because I'm going to upload it to YouTube. So maybe, yeah. So yeah, I've heard it from the news and from the TikTok, honey, that a lot of people got kidnapped. You know it, right? Yeah, and it's not
Ki-
safe to travel there.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know what is kidnapped? Kidnapping?
No, I
Okay,
don't know.
let's search. Let's search. Here.
Họ nói rằng nhiều người nước ngoài đã bị bắt cóc ở đó.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
My cousin teacher is kidnapped. No, is yes. And when she come, she like she very crazy, and she thought that it's not good.
Really? Really, honey?
Yes.
Is she safe now? Is the teacher safe right now?
Not like a cousin with the teacher, the cousin teacher.
It's your cousin?
Yes,
I mean,
it's no, it's my cousin teacher.
it's your cousin's teacher.
Mm,
Yeah. Okay. And how about now, honey? Is she back to Vietnam? Is she now in Vietnam?
yes, yeah, her parent must to send a lot of money.
Mm-hmm. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness. Why did she go there? For a
uh,
vacation?
yeah. I don't know. She come today to work,
Ah.
and people talk to them. She will got a lot of money.
Oh. Oh my goodness. And then, she went there to work as a teacher. Yeah?
No, I don't know what she work.
Yeah. A different work, a different
Yeah,
job. Okay, and
yes,
when she arrived there, she got kidnapped. Oh, that's so bad. And I'm so glad. Actually, honey, I've heard a news that there's like a Korean man. Yeah, a
yeah,
Korean man got kidnapped. Yeah, a Korean man got kidnapped in that place. And I said to myself, "Oh my goodness, that's so awful." Yeah,
yeah,
so bad. Okay. Actually, I think I and Luis had a topic about that last time. I really forgot. I think it's Luis or maybe it's another student. But there's a student who told me about that topic, honey, that that country, I'm not going to mention it, yeah, is something dangerous. It's
yes,
dangerous. And that country is near your country, right? It's just near Vietnam.
yes.
Oh, how do people get there, honey? How do Vietnamese people get there? By bus, by plane,
But
train,
plane.
by
Yeah,
plane.
and
Mhm.
sometimes birds.
Bus too. Yeah, maybe if it's just really, really near the, yeah, it's just near there, honey. I'm going to search about that. Thank you for letting me know about that one, honey. It made me really curious. I am really
Yeah,
curious about it now. Like, I want to search it because I've really went into like, how do I say this? A post, yeah, in TikTok, honey. And then it's mentioned there that there was like a lot of Korean, I know, a man, Korean man who got kidnapped in that country. And I said to myself, oh, I think what my student really told me was really right. And I think it's
yeah,
really Luis who told me about that. I'm going to ask Luis later for our class. But
yeah,
anyway, honey, we just have seconds left, and I would like to thank you for having our class today. And we are going to continue with the vocabularies next time, okay? Thank you so much, honey, for your time, Key, and we're going to meet again on Tuesday. Bye bye.